Welcome back to How Car USA, where we explore cars built for real life, not hype, and today we are unboxing the all-new Toyota Corolla 2026, one of the most reliable and popular sedans in the world, designed for daily comfort, long-term durability, and stress-free ownership. As we begin the unboxing, the first thing you notice about the Toyota Corolla 2026 is its clean, modern, and confident design. The front looks sharper with updated headlights, a bold grille, and a more refined overall shape that feels premium while still staying simple and practical. The car maintains its compact size, which makes it perfect for city driving, daily commuting, and easy parking. Moving to the side profile, the Corolla 2026 looks balanced and smooth with aerodynamic lines that improve efficiency and stability. The wheels look stylish while keeping comfort in mind, and the overall stance feels planted on the road. At the rear, the design is clean and elegant with modern tail lights that give the car a fresh and updated look. Now let's step inside the Toyota Corolla 2026. The interior feels clean, comfortable, and very user-friendly. The dashboard layout is simple and easy to understand with quality materials that are built to last. The seats are well cushioned and supportive, making long drives comfortable for both driver and passengers. Rear seat space is good for a sedan and offers enough legroom and headroom for daily family use. When it comes to features, the Toyota Corolla 2026 comes well equipped. You get a modern touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto support. The display is smooth, responsive, and easy to use. Higher trims offer features like a digital instrument cluster, wireless charging, push-start, climate control, and premium audio, making the driving experience more enjoyable. Under the hood, the Toyota Corolla 2026 focuses on smooth performance and excellent fuel efficiency. The 4-cylinder engine delivers calm and reliable power that is perfect for city traffic, highway cruising, and everyday driving. Acceleration feels smooth and predictable, which makes the car easy to drive for new drivers as well as experienced ones. The suspension is tuned for comfort, absorbing bumps and rough roads with ease. Fuel efficiency remains one of the strongest points of the Corolla. It is designed to save fuel while delivering dependable performance, making it a great option for daily commuters and long-term ownership. The driving feel is stable, quiet, and comfortable, which is exactly what most buyers want from a practical sedan. Safety is a major highlight of the Toyota Corolla 2026. It comes with Toyota Safety Sense, which includes features like automatic emergency braking, lane assist, adaptive cruise control, and collision warning. These features help reduce driver stress and add confidence on every drive. Overall, the Toyota Corolla 2026 is not trying to be flashy or aggressive. It is built for real people, real roads, and real life. It offers comfort, reliability, great fuel economy, and peace of mind, which is why the Corolla continues to be one of the best-selling cars in the world. Thanks for watching How Car USA. If you enjoyed this unboxing video, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest car unboxings, reviews, and future vehicle updates. We will see you in the next video.